Hey, so here I have 4 more words for you that have come from Spanish. They are identical as in Spanish, but not exactly the same meaning. And we're going to start with the word guerrilla in Spanish, or gorilla as we would say in English. It sounds like the animal, but it's not. In Spanish, guerrilla is a small group of fighters that fight alone. For example, in the jungles of South America, there was a guerrillas fighting against the government. In English, however, guerrilla is used for one fighter, not 3 or 4 fighters. Then we have the word vigilante, or vigilante, as you say in Spanish. A vigilante, of course, is a person who takes the law into their own hand and fights for justice. You could say that somebody like Batman, or Superman, or the Arrow is a vigilante. Then we have aficionado, or aficionado. Aficionado is a person who has a real love for something, such as jazz, wine, food, etc. It does not mean that they are a professional. It means that they have spent a lot of time as an aficionado or a fan as a hobby, more than anything else. And the last one we have is lazo, or lazo, as you say in Spanish, which is, of course, a piece of rope with a hoop on the end of it. A lasso was used in the Wild West in the movies to swing and catch other people as they were escaping. And also the cowboys used it to grab hold of their cattle. So, there you go. Whether it's guerrilla, vigilante, aficionado, or lasso, you have 4 more Spanish words to use in English.